We'll guide you through how to add and insert a YouTube video in Canva. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Canva, and I want to go and add in a YouTube video. Perhaps you're doing this to go and help provide context and explain something for educational purposes or for another reason. It doesn't matter why, but we're going to guide you through this. Personally, I want to go and add it in to go and provide some context. I'm working on a Canva design and project about the channel GuideRealm, the channel you're watching this on, and so I want to go and add in the video as an example. There are different ways you can go about this. You can watch this full video and go and see what's going to work best for you. So to get started, you want to come and open up a new tab and head to YouTube. I'm already here. Now you need to go and find the video you want to do this with. So I'm going to go and search for GuideRealm at the top here as I want to do this with a GuideRealm video. So I head to the GuideRealm channel and I'll then find the video I want to go and add in. For example, this one here. Now what we need to do is go and grab the link for it. There are different ways you can go about this, but you can come beneath the video, find the share button and click on it, and you can then press copy. Alternatively, you can come to the address bar in the browser and you can then click, hold, and you can select it and then right click and go and press copy. So you've now got the address for the video. Now what you need to do is you want to come to Canva, and there are different ways you can go and add it in. So the first way is potentially the easiest way you may like to use. What you can do is simply go and right click and you can go down and press paste, and it should then go and add in the video. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl V, which is the paste shortcut. You can go and resize it by clicking, holding and dragging the corner points and click, hold, and then position it where you want it to be. Then what you want to do is go and double click on it, and to play it, you can then press the play button and it will go and start. Alternatively, if that option doesn't work for you and you still want to add it in, go to the left here and find the option for apps. Go and click on it and press search at the top and go and type in YouTube. Then you can find YouTube embed and go and click on it. Then you can go and search for YouTube. So I could go and search for GuideRealm, but because we've got the link, we can right click and go and press paste. Then you can press enter and it should then find it. Click on it and it'll then go and add it in. And what you can then do is go and resize it once again with the corner points and click, hold and drag and position it to where you want it to be. And then what you can do is go and double click on it and you can press the play button and it will go and start playing. It's that simple. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.